Hello children, I'm Ishara Kodithuwakku from Mahamaya Girls College, Kandy. Today we are going to discuss an important thing. You know that there is a compulsory question in O-level paper. Question number 1, analysis a given music extract. This is from 2018 O-level paper. Let's see how to write the answers for this question. First one, name the key of the music extract. When you write the answer for this question, the first step is finding the key signature. Here, the key signature is F sharp. F sharp, in G major there is one F sharp, but don't forget that there is a relative minor, also get the same key signatures. So what is the relative minor of G major? It is E minor and the seventh note is raised. So it would be either G major or E minor. Then what will be the correct answer? The second step is finding the tonic triad notes, because the first bar contains the tonic triad notes of the correct key. If the key is in G major, tonic note is G, the tonic triad notes are G, B, D. If it is in E minor, tonic note is E, tonic triad notes are E, G, B. Okay, let's move on to the music extract. Here the notes are G, B, D. These are the tonic triad notes of G major. So the answer is G major. The second one, in which degree of this scale does the musical extract begins? These are the degrees: tonic, supertonic, mediant, subdominant, dominant, submediant and leading note. Here the first note is in bass clef and the first note is D. Here is the G major scale and you can see the D is the fifth note. Fifth is the dominant. So the degree is dominant. The third one, the music modulates to another key in bar 4 and bar 8. Name the key. So what is modulation? Modulation is the change from one key to another key. When it is modulated, the key signature will be changed. So here, this is in G major. It can be modulated to relative minor, or G major can be modulated to dominant. If it is modulated to relative minor, the answer is E minor. And the key signature is F sharp. The key signature is not changing, but the seventh note is raised. If it is modulated to D major, the answer is D major and the key signatures are F sharp and C sharp. Okay, let's find the key. Can you see a D sharp here? No, we can't find a D sharp, but in bar 4 and bar 8, there is C sharp and already F sharp is there. So F sharp and C sharp, the modulated key is D major. The fourth one, describe the time signature of this music extract. Here there is simple C. C is for common time. Common time means 4/4. 4/4 means 4 crotchet beats in a bar. Fifth one, in which form is this musical extract written? So you have learnt 5 forms: binary form, ternary form, rondo form, air with variation and sonata form. So the answer for this question is binary form. Let's see how to get the answer. Here, binary form, there are more names for binary form: AB form, two-part form, movement of continuity. There are 2 sections in binary form, section A and section B. Section A begins on tonic and ends in dominant, also relative minor. And section B begins from the key which the section A is ended. Section B dominant and ends in tonic. Okay, let's see how to get the answer for this music extract. Here, the first key is in G major and it's modulated to D major. G major is the tonic and D major is dominant. So this is the first section. And again, the second section, it begins in D major. D major is the dominant. So it's again, it goes back to tonic. So here is the second section. 1 to 5 is section A. 5 to 1 is section B. Sixth one. Name the cadence that ends this musical extract. You have learned 4 cadences. Perfect cadence, 5 to 1. Imperfect cadence, 1 to 5. Plagal cadence, 4 to 1. And interrupted cadence, 5 to 6. Here is the last bar of the music extract. The first step is finding the key signature. Here, this is in G major. Here, this is the lowest note of the first chord, that is D. And here is the bottom note, lowest note of the second chord, that is G. D is the dominant and G is the tonic. So this is 5 to 1. So this is in perfect cadence. Next one. This musical extract is from a composition by Schumann. Write the composer's full name at the appropriate place on the music score. So the full name of the composer is Robert Schumann. So you have to write it top of the music extract and right side of the music extract. This is how you have to write it, Robert Schumann. In which clef does the main melody appear? So usually the melody is in left hand. The accompaniment is in left hand. The chords are in left hand. But here you can see the chords are in treble clef and the melody is in left hand. Here the chords are in treble clef and the melody is in left hand. So the answer for this question is bass clef. Next one. In which bar do the music play the melody in both clefs and octave apart? Here, this is 10th bar, last note. Here in bass clef, the note is D, and the treble clef, again you have a D, so there is an octave, so D to D. And the other notes here in next bar, G to G. In left hand, there is one G, and the other G is in treble clef. G to G, there is another octave. And also B to B and D to D. These are octave apart. So the answer is last note of the 10th bar and 11 and 12 bars. You can see octave apart notes. Describe briefly how the musical extract should be played to suit the given tempo. Here, the tempo is allegretto. So you have to play this music played very quick. And also, this is allegretto. And here, there is a dynamic, that is F. F is for forte. So you have to play the first bar loudly. And the chords are in treble clef, so these chords are played as staccatos. And the left hand, the notes played connectedly and loudly. And here, the second section begins from bar 9th and its end with the first ending. And again, the music extract begins from bar 9th and ends in the second ending. And here bar 13 and 14, there is another dynamic, that is soft. P indicates piano and it is 4. So the bar 13 and 14 played softly. This is how we have to describe. You have to describe everything in detail. And the next one, 10th question. Write the given 4 quaver notes in the bass clef of bar 2 in the same pitch using the treble clef. Here, this is the second bar and the notes are middle C and all the other notes are ledger lines. C, E, G and again E. Okay, let's see where these notes in keyboard. The first note is bass clef middle C, and here this is middle C in the keyboard, and this is the same pitch middle C in treble clef. And the next note, it's E, it's a ledger line note, and it's above middle C. And here this E, you can see it is above middle C. Okay, let's find where this note on the keyboard. Here, middle C, above middle C, you have D, and after that E. This E is 2 steps above from middle C. And here, this is the same pitch note for given bass clef E. This is the answer, E. And the next note is G. You can see that note is above middle C. And here, this is the middle C, and here G, it has gone up from middle C. Middle C, the steps, it's going up step by step to G, and this is the same pitch note. And here is the answer for last question. Same pitch notes for the given notes. Okay, hope you can understand the lesson. Thank you very much.